Hey there, crypto enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies and exploring some fascinating trends and insights. Get ready for a deep dive into the crypto markets and some thought-provoking commentary. So, what's going on in the crypto space? Well, it seems like Bitcoin and Ether are having a moment, while altcoins are taking a backseat. The crypto market is experiencing a rotation towards these large-cap tokens, leaving altcoins with falling open interest and a lack of momentum. It's an interesting shift, and personally, I think it raises some important questions about the future of the crypto ecosystem. Now, let's talk about derivatives data. Here's where things get a bit more technical, but stay with me. The data shows a cautiously optimistic tilt for Bitcoin. Futures open interest is on the rise, implied volatility is steady, and there's an increase in upside options bets. This suggests a potential shift in sentiment, with investors showing more confidence in Bitcoin. However, the situation is a bit different for XRP and SOL, where leverage-driven pressure is evident. It's a reminder that the crypto market is complex and ever-changing. Moving on to an intriguing project, Near, and its unique stake-to-compute model. Near is tying its token to AI computing power, which is an innovative approach. But, as analysts point out, the success of this model hinges on real demand and usage. It's a fascinating concept, but it's a waiting game to see if the early incentives and subsidies will translate into sustained adoption. Now, let's connect the dots. The crypto market's movement towards large-cap tokens like Bitcoin and Ether could be influenced by the integration of Bitcoin into capital markets. With ETFs, basis trading, and institutional hedging, Bitcoin has a solid foundation. On the other hand, altcoins are still finding their place, and their value proposition needs to be clearer. It's an interesting dynamic, and it highlights the importance of a well-defined use case for tokens. Furthermore, the tech sector's weakness, particularly with SpaceX's AI-linked capital spending, has impacted the crypto sector. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of markets and how one sector's moves can influence another. The reversal of this trend could bring renewed enthusiasm to crypto, especially if AI-related investments pick up pace again. In terms of derivatives positioning, there are some intriguing observations. The long-short taker-volume ratio has flipped bullish, with longs taking the lead. This is a positive sign, indicating increased confidence. However, the sustainability of this trend is the question. Bitcoin's open interest has seen a spike, but it needs to be maintained to show true confidence. The same goes for other key metrics like funding rates and volume delta. As for individual tokens, XRP's rising open interest alongside a falling price is a concerning combination. It suggests a potential validation of market weakness. Ether's open interest remains lackluster, while SOL's leverage is unwinding. These trends highlight the varied sentiment across the crypto market. The Near project and its stake-to-compute model are an interesting case study. While the token's price hasn't reflected the ecosystem's AI compute push, the real test lies in sustained demand. Early activity might be driven by incentives, but the true success will be determined by whether developers continue to use the compute power once the rewards normalize. It's a fascinating experiment, and one that could set a precedent for other AI crypto projects. In conclusion, the crypto market is an ever-evolving landscape, and these insights provide a glimpse into the current trends and potential future directions. It's a reminder that crypto is not just about speculation, but also about the underlying utility and real-world adoption. So, keep an eye on these developments, and let's continue the conversation. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies.